Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x80070185 while trying to use OneDrive, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Now, the resolution has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum and a lot of people have confirmed that it works. Press the Windows key and the R button together and copy paste this command here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this does. It resets OneDrive and then it will open the reset OneDrive after a while. It should usually do it by its own, but if it doesn't, then you can simply copy this command without reset at the end. Like this command had /reset at the end. Copy this command without reset at the end. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Copy it here, paste it here and hit enter, and this will open OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.